boy. Come here, Campy. Come here, bud. Come on. Here you go.
I don't feel so bad anymore, are you?
Unfortunately, you can't see so well when he's on the blue.
Yeah, here, let's get this. Move it. Here, bud.
That's cute.
Oh, yeah, don't let his legs split. Here, buddy, just a minute.
He hates moving.
Oh, come here. Come here, Campy. Come show us your new shoes. Come on. Good boy. Come on. There you go. There you go, buddy. Come on. You can do it. There you go. Good. It's considered cruelty to animals by making them wear shoes so they don't get their feet wet. Go get it. Go get it, sweetie pie. Look. Oh, look, there's an even bigger one. Look. Oh, go get it. Go get it, bud.
He doesn't want it.
Go on. You can do it.
He's embarrassed.
Do it.
Buddy, look.
There you go. Oh. Take it. Oh, look, his legs are crossed. Here, bud. Be careful, be careful. Here. There's another one. Look. Right there. Yummy. Oh, heavens. Oh, my goodness. Oh, buddy.
Give me one. Give me one. Here.
Oh, look. Oh, look. He's sticking his leg out. He's going to kick you. Getting used to your new shoes, buddy. Look, it'll keep your feet dry and warm in the winter. Hey? Oh, God, love you. I know they're so yummy. There you go. There you go. Okay, do another one. Come on. There you go. You can do it. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, Scampi. Come here.
Push it a tiny bit closer.
There you go, sweetie pie. There you go. Oh, look, your tail's not a very happy tail, is it? Come here, buddy.
Let me fix his legs. I think
There. That's better. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. What's she laughing about, hey? Yes, you're a very handsome boy in your new shoes. Yes, you are.
Oh my god. Okay. That is very funny.
Oh, God. Look at his tail, though. He's obviously not a happy boy.